Welcome to this short demonstration of ProWritingAid's integration for Arbortext editor. ProWritingAid is a powerful grammar, style and spell checker that helps users wherever they write. We built this integration for Arbortext editor so that we can support technical authors and teams using the Arbortext platform. ProWritingAid provides quick, detailed and cost-effective editing support for the technical documents you might be working on. Let's take a closer look. You can see that ProWritingAid sits here in the Arbortext ribbon. I've got it set so that the real-time checker starts immediately as I open the document. I'm going to do that now. As soon as the document's open, in this right-hand window, ProWritingAid gets to work. And it's looking for grammar, spelling and style issues. In fact, you can filter 4 categories: grammar, style, spelling, and passive voice. We're going to look at all of them. The first is a passive voice example. You can see it's highlighted the issue in the text over here. It's identified that I've written Arbortext is used by authors, and it suggested the active equivalent. Authors use Arbortext. It's a simple change, but using the active voice rather than the passive voice can often help your reader by giving them less work to do to understand what you're telling them. So we can make the change here if we agree with it. Or if we want to stick to the passive voice, we can disable the rule, that's a permanent change, or ignore it, which is a one-time exception. Before we make the change, let's take a quick look at the information icon. By clicking here, we open a contextual learning window. And this provides information about the difference, in this case, between the active and passive voice, and why it's important to try to use the active voice where possible. It also includes a short video, and in some of these contextual learning windows, you'll see quizzes as well as links to other blog posts. Back to the issue at hand, let's make the change. We want it to say authors use Arbortext. We'll click here and move to the next point. That's a typo. It's identified an unknown word. You can either make the change to the correct word, in this case accurate, or there may be instances where you're using terminology that's specific to your customer or organisation, and you want to add it to your dictionary, which you can do here. In this case, it's a typo. So let's make the change and move on. Here's an example where we're missing hyphens in the term up to date. It's a really simple change, but it's important that your writing is accurate and consistent. Readability issue here. We're using 3 words where 1 will do. Instead of saying as well as, use and. Looking at the document, it makes sense to make that change, so we'll accept it. And it's as simple as that. Just work your way down through the document. If you've built customized style guide rules in your ProWritingAid account, those will also be picked up here. So not only does ProWritingAid improve the quality and efficiency and the accuracy of your writing, but it can also help improve the consistency of your team's writing too. And that's it. It's as simple as that. That's a ProWritingAid integration for Arbortext. We'll be publishing a more detailed user guide soon, and building out much deeper analysis in some areas too, so stay tuned.